All right, welcome to this video walkthrough of a second floor, one bedroom apartment on the Brighton Alston border. Just a couple of steps to the Green Line and Commonwealth Avenue. So we have a sink, toilet, vanity right there. Behind, yeah, here we go. Clawfoot tub, shower, and the tenant, I'm happy to report, has left this unit, obviously cat friendly. The current tenant has left this unit in some pretty good shape, really good shape. All right, so this would be, she's using this room as the living room. That's the back of the building. All right, good amount of sunlight. Heat and hot water are included. There's laundry in the basement. So there's 3 dryers, 3 washers. Again, facing the same side of the building. The windows, all right. You got 2 closets right there. Let's check out those closets. Good size. Yep, good size closets. Let's head over into the kitchen, see how that looks. Linoleum flooring. Pretty modest kitchen. Got small gas stove, sink, a little bit of counter space, cabinets up top and below. A fridge, a little window looking into the courtyard. She set up a very smart counter space right here. All right, and that pretty much concludes our video walkthrough. Second floor, 1 bedroom, heat and hot water included, cat friendly obviously. But let me know if you have any questions. Angel at LeopoldMcMastersRealty.com. All right, have a good one.